Hey guys, welcome back to our channel A and A. So guys, today we are going to do something very interesting. Very interesting. So you can see I have opened my game.
Real Sticky Man Crime.
If you want to play it, just go to
Play Store, App Store, Microsoft Store, anywhere.
whichever you have in your phone. You used to download something, so you have to go there, install it, and just play it and give us its reviews in our comment box. So let's start the game.
Let's start the game.
It's loading. So let's start.
Now,
We'll be
today's
taking
video, we will tell you how to stole.
a helicopter.
Yeah.
So
First, we have to take a car. We are taking our own car because it will take time
to
stole a car and waste of time.
I came.
Oh, you are
opposite side.
driving wrong.
No worries.
But it's not a real. That the police will come and stole us.
Just police will come when we kill
Oh,
someone. We
kill police also.
yeah, we killed the police. Let's see what happens. Let's open the map and see. Is he
I think
somewhere?
he's dead.
No,
I think
know.
he's dead.
Now we'll stop here only.
Because if they
Stop.
because
Yes.
if they know that
We are entering their area. See, one is there.
one is
See?
moving, I think.
Yeah. See, one is moving there. We have to kill that one.
No, we don't need to kill, but
We have to kill.
Yeah, but that
Because
only.
see, because he will come. He started coming.
I think we have to.
No. Wait.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
But we'll take risk today. Yeah, just because of you. Just for you, not because of you.
Nobody saw us. Let's go back.
No, but we will kill them. Why? We will.
Yeah, you're wasting your time. And he got to know.
He came to know. Fast.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah. We got level up. You saw those. We'll be taking.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Oh, that's another way to stole a tank.
Run.
Difficult way to stole a
Not
tank.
a tank. Helicopter.
That only.
Where's the other green?
I think you have killed.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, that.
Oh, he only came out.
Yes.
Yeah. He only came out.
That only. Oh yeah,
We
have
stolen the helicopter.
Helicopter.
Yeah.
Now let's take a ride.
Yeah.
In
Killing
an
all the
army
people.
helicopter.
Yeah,
Army helicopter.
Now
Achievements,
take
man.
a ride. Now we'll take a ride in the street, killing the people. Now
Yeah.
we'll go a little down. Go down. Yeah. So now we are going to call the police.
Yes. we have
Not
to
by
do-
calling 100. We'll be
calling
the
by
police.
discount.
Yeah.
Fighting.
So now fighting. You can see the
Let's start.
star coming here.
You can see people is coming.
People started killing. Now a very good feature is there. If you are being killed you saw that if you are being killed there, so you dies, but in the helicopter it's not like that. Now let's go. The police has not came right now. Yeah, they came. See, the icon of the police is red and blue. See,
It's blinking red, blue. That's why.
now they came.
Let's kill them also.
Let's kill them also.
But in reality, we cannot.
Yeah, we will be arrested. Don't even try to do that. Stop. So let's kill them. See,
The policeman killed.
yeah, he killed.
The car is
He
bulletproof.
has been killed.
No, the car is rocket proof, I think.
No.
The car.
See, it started burning. If I'll do one more now, it will burst.
It will blast.
See?
You will burst. Boom.
Boom, bam. So see, we have.
Oh,
The other police
Police is
came.
again coming.
No worries. Now we'll be parking our helicopter. First, we'll find helipad somewhere if we
But-
can. It's not compulsory to find.
But I think
we
there is not a
can.
helipad. But in the newest update, they will bring.
Oh, stop! I
I
said
will tell you a
stop.
I will tell you a thing. In these buildings, you can find some
Dots,
like dots,
red,
dots.
green.
That of guns, something guns or bullets or rupees or blah blah blah.
Or
Because of the
whatever,
helicopter.
money.
Yes. Because of the helicopter. Because
Now we are going to jump and we're gonna die. 1, 2, and jump. 1 and. Oh, we didn't die.
because we jumped on the building or building.
We'll
Now we will die because
be jumping again down.
if we didn't die.
Dish.
Again
Oh, I want to die. Wait,
let's die by.
killing someone.
No, they will kill also us. Only one shoot.
No, it was a wrong shoot.
Properly.
Mm,
Now
yeah,
he will
now,
kill.
see.
First, let's kill her.
Oh, we killed him only. We were supposed to kill ourselves.
Nothing would happen. Let's go to army area.
No, not army. We'll go to Blackmont. It's a bank, but you can't do anything in it because army is standing there. Bodyguards.
Yes, but we have to shoot one of our bullet and they will start killing us. Da 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 da.
Yeah, because there are 3. 2 black ones and one angry.
Yeah. You can see.
You can see the red one. Yeah, you can see. Or no. Now here we came to the Blackmont. You can read the name of the bank. Yeah.
Black.
Blank. Monmouth.
Black.
Monmouth.
Bank.
So we are just gonna put one bullet now.
Dish kya?
See.
They will start killing us.
Dish. See, our life came out.
Oh my god.
Dreadful.
That full day, man.
We did it! So guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like
And
share, subscribe and comment to our channel.
Don't forget to click on the notification button.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you for watching our video.